guys, Kelly here. Now, before we get into the specifics of adding accounts, let's go over a few things because there are a few different ways that you can do this. You can either add your accounts using our direct import feature, which allows YNAB to pull in your information and spending transactions, or you can choose to add that information in transactions yourself. If you do set up a linked account, YNAB will pull in your balance as of today, and that's all you need to do to get started. Then we'll add any transactions once they've cleared your bank, which can take a day or two. But here's the cool thing. It's not an either or choice. You can link your accounts and still add those transactions yourself. When they're imported, they'll match right up with the ones that you entered, and you'll know you haven't missed any. Also, it's possible to add and link your accounts directly from the web app, or you could do it from your phone.